Okay, so let's put this on. So here's your power button. Now this is your temperature in Celsius. So right now, this will change as you use your settings. So now your first setting is a soft drink. You press the up and down arrows to go to the next setting. Juice. This is telling you, how cold it's going to get. So if you use the juice setting, it's going to go to minus 1.6. Cocktail. Wine. Beer, which is kind of funny, but maybe that tastes good. And then you have a custom setting where you can set it how you want. And there's also a cleaning cycle. So today on the brisk lemonade, I'm going to use the soft drink setting. Okay, so we have 1 liter. So this is 1,000 milliliters of the brisk lemonade. So this hasn't been sitting, in the fridge. It's just been sitting on the shelf. So it's room temperature. So I'll put the unit on and then I'll pour it in. So we're going to use the soft drink setting. And I'll get it started. So you have start and stop down here. So we'll see how this turns out. Now the machine is very quiet, but it does give off quite a bit of heat on both sides. Would be the only negative so far. You also have a minimum and maximum fill line. So the minimum is 0.5, so 500 milliliters minimum, and 1.5 liters for the max fill. So we'll see how long this takes to freeze here. Okay, this is after 10 minutes. You can see it slowly starting to freeze up a little bit. And we have our temperature readout, minus 0.8 Celsius. And it's flashing on the third one, so we still have a little ways to go. And it will beep when the setting is done. Okay, this is after 15 minutes. You can see it's getting closer now. It's actually quite quick. Okay, this is exactly 20 minutes now that it's been running. Our setting on the front shows minus 1.1 Celsius. And the last little bar is now flashing. So we're close to being done. Okay, this is after 25 minutes. It looks like it's ready, but I'll keep it going until the setting beeps. But I'd be perfectly happy with this. Okay, it had beeped on the setting, so now we're going to try to give this a pour into the glass. At this setting, it's almost too frozen, but it's still coming out. You can see it's really kind of caked up along here and stuck, but it's coming out now. Would you want it any colder than that? No. As for the leakage when it's running, you know, there's nothing coming out, so it doesn't leak at all. Well, thanks for watching.